Pinuntahan ko mismo yung yan earlier or late last year. At wala talaga. Zero. Wala kang makita.
Ghost project.
Meron siyang daanan, panlakaran na dirt, no? Na mukhang dinadaanan lang ng tao, ng pao, tricycle, pero talagang walang semento, walang bakal, wala lahat. That is the theory. That is the general theory. Kung when I looked at the case, malinaw naman sa amin na yung dokumento na ginawa na nakita namin is fake because wala yung project eh. Diba? So in principle, in theory, mukhang pagkakasabot talaga.
Paano sir, can we illustrate paano yung relationship?
Siyempre may kontrata. Yung kontrata dapat ginawa. Wala naman nagawa. Tapos tinanggap yung project through documentation, binayaran. Pero wala yung project. So it takes minimum of two to tango technically.